This is Lonnie with Bonco Garage Doors. We're sitting here trying to help the customer out. We have a garage door making a lot of noises and popping. If you look at the garage opening, go across that header, see how it looks like it's lower right there? Because this track on this side is lower by a couple, 2 or 3 inches, making the sections have to pivot at an angle. If you come over to this way, look at it, you can see that it's aiming downhill, going backwards. So we're gonna level that up, service this up, and put some new vinyl sill on for this customer. They should be good to go. If you need help, your garage door's having issues, it's noisy, good thing to give us a call and come out and check it out, tell you what's going on. Bonco Garage Doors, Salt Lake City, 801-755-4624. Thanks.